Customer data normalization. Customer data normalization is the process of standardizing and organizing customer data in a consistent and structured way. This involves cleaning and formatting the data to ensure that it is accurate, complete, and error-free. By establishing a set of rules and guidelines for how customer data is entered and stored, businesses can ensure that all of their data is uniform and easily searchable. Why is customer data normalization important? Improving data quality. Enhancing customer experience. Facilitating data analysis. Improving decision-making. 6-step process to normalize customer data. Identify the data to be normalized. Choose a normalization method. Calculate the normalization parameters. Apply the normalization function to the data. Check the results. Use the normalized data. How to implement customer data normalization. Identify data sources. Develop data normalization rules. Create a data normalization process. Implement data normalization. Monitor and review normalized data. Challenges of customer data normalization. Complexity of data sources. Variability in data formats. Inconsistent data quality. Resource constraints. Best practices for customer data normalization. Standardizing data formats. Applying consistent naming conventions. Eliminating duplicate data. Identifying and resolving inconsistent data. Mapping data to common structures. Customer data normalization practices are crucial for better outputs. For more details, please reach out to us.